Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you some YouTube call it dark theme and not dark mode. So what you need to do to enable your dark theme or dark mode on your YouTube channel is this. On a desktop, this is how it looks. Please viewers, I have made a video on how you can use your Android phone or iPhone as a laptop or a desktop device. So please check the video, check my videos, you see it, and I will leave that description below. If you're on a desktop or a laptop, this is how you activate your dark theme. All you need to do is to come to this place, your profile, just click on it. Click on it. On the profile menu, it will bring you to this place where you see appearance. This is appearance. You can see it is light. Just turn it on and you can see your dark mode. That is how you can get your dark theme on your YouTube devices. And if you want it on your Android, this is how you can do it. Let me quickly show you. Devices, just come to this, your settings, come to general, click on general. You can see it, dark theme. So or you can toggle it. You can toggle it to get your light. You can toggle it to get your dark theme. Please, if you find value in this video, please turn on your notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So the description for how to turn your Android devices to computer or desktop version will be in the description below. Thank you.